Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are not new, welcome back. It's Marina, and today we're gonna be doing a curly hair routine. So I had just came from outside. I had my hair in a top and a high. I had my hair in a high bun all day, but I put it in a low bun because I went outside or whatever. For this curly hair routine, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I do in the shower, what products I put in my hair, and my whole routine, obviously. So I might embarrass myself in this video because I'm gonna be showing you how I look before I wash my hair, and that's not pretty, but you guys will see. My hair has actually been in chlorine and salt water for the past week, so I don't know how this video is gonna turn out because my hair has been exposed to disgusting water. Girls. So I'm now gonna hop in the shower and get this thing going. So you're gonna wanna start off with wetting your hair and taking the Organ Oil shampoo. You don't want to put too much because essentially shampoo is really just to clean out your roots and the top of your head. After you are done shampooing, you're going to wet your hair and rinse it off. I'm going to be using the Melt and Moisture Diva Curl Deep Conditioning, but I know with everything going on with Diva Curl, I also recommend this Hair Repair Deep Treatment. It is also used as a deep conditioning. So you're going to take the deep conditioner and you're going to apply it to your hair, and you mainly want to focus on your ends because that is the place where you most likely have split ends. After you are done applying the deep conditioner to your hair, you're going to take a scrunchie and tie it up in a low bun. I like to do a low bun because I know the products will drip down onto my hair. You are then going to take a plastic bag or a shower cap, but I use a plastic bag to trap the heat in the hair. You are then going to do this for 20 minutes, leaving it in the plastic bag. After the 20 minutes have passed, you are going to remove the plastic bag from your head and you're just going to detangle your hair. I use my fingers, but you can also use a comb. It doesn't really matter. After you have finished detangling, you will rinse the deep conditioning off and you're pretty much done. Okay, hi guys. So I'm back and I'm better. I came out the shower after deep conditioning, rinsed it off, whatever. So I deep conditioned and now I'm going to start putting my products in my hair or whatever. Where's my scrunchie? Where's the scrunchie? Got it. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna part my hair. And then I'm gonna tie this one on the top. Wow, I look amazing. I don't know why I keep saying it. We're gonna just wet the just like around, like right there, because you want to make sure that you want to make sure that your hair is pretty damp and wet enough to apply products. Yeah. Because of quarantine, I haven't really been putting in all my products because it's like where I'm going. So, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys everything I do put if I were to go outside. So, I first put in my leave-in conditioner. It just says leave-in, it doesn't say conditioner, but whatever. It's the Kinky Curly Not Today. Not as in like not whatever, not today. So we're just gonna apply a little bit because this is not the styler. A little bit. Why is there mad dust in the air? What the hell? Okay, so we're just gonna apply it to the hair. That's cute. This piece literally never curls up. Never. I don't know what I did to it, but okay. It's a really small piece, so you really don't need a lot of product. But it depends how everybody parts their hair. This is all I put on the bottom because it's like nobody sees my hair in the back, so why would I waste my product there? But to keep it hydrated in the back, I do put in my leave-in. So we're gonna part the hair again. So the hair is parted, and now we're gonna get to the real stuff. We're gonna put in the leave-in again, the same leave-in. Ow! And you just wanna rake it. You don't wanna scrunch up because, believe it or not, scrunching does create frizz. You just wanna rake it up, break it in, back it up, and period. And any excess on your hand, you could just put it anywhere on your hair. Period. I know that there's this whole like diva curl thing that's going on where like it's been, you know, making people's hair dry, la 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 la. And it's probably been happening to me too, but I'm too oblivious to anything and dumb. So, but I usually use Diva Curl Super Cream. Ew, look at my nails. I usually use Diva Curl Super Cream, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna be using something that you guys would probably like to use. It's called Brianni. This is what I use as my styling cream. I believe it was like $15, but yeah. I've had this curl routine for a really long time, so if you guys have any products you would like me to try out, just comment down below, because I would love to try something new. So we're just gonna apply this to the hair as well. Just gonna rake it down, back it up. And you wanna make sure you're going into, like, don't just put it on the outside, make sure you go into. When I first tried this product, I didn't really like it that much because it makes your hair feel dry, like, not dry, but like weird, like rubber. But when it dries, top notch. You're gonna continue to part your hair and then just put the same products in, just like that, until, you know, you reach the end. Now for the last step, we are going to add gel. For this one, I only have the Diva Curl gel, so I don't know what else to recommend. I use the Ultra Defining Gel. So I use the Ultra Defining Gel. I don't put a lot because it's just really to make the curls stay in place. So I don't think it really matters what gel you use. So this one you don't want to rake. This one you want to scrunch, because that's what's gonna give your curls the definition that it needs. Yup, just like that. You want to scrunch? You want to scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. I think it's so funny how my hair is not the same length on both sides. Whatever. I don't know if I should air dry or diffuse. You know what? Let me diffuse, just to show you guys how I diffuse my hair. So to diffuse, the cool thing about diffusing is, so if you want your hair to stay down, like if you don't want it puffy or like have a lot of volume, you would put the heat all the way up on hot. And what I use is the regular Revlon. Doesn't really matter what blow dryer you use, I think. And I use this thingy. I'm going to dry my roots because you need to start diffusing from your roots before you go and do this, because then you're just gonna get a bunch of frizz. So I'm gonna put it on high to dry my roots. And then, yeah. now that my roots up here are dry, I'm gonna put it on cool and then leave the air. I'm actually gonna put it on warm and I'm going to leave it there to dry before I start scrunching. So I'm not going to do it fully until my hair dries because then the video is going to be 30 minutes long and we don't want that. So I'm just going to move on to scrunching. Cool air on high. So my hair is still not fully dry yet and I've been sitting here for like 20 minutes. I'm just gonna let it air dry because diffusing takes way too much time. Why is this in it? This is the end product. My hair usually has more volume, but it's just taking forever to dry. I'm tired. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. If you guys would like more content on curly hair, just like, comment, and subscribe. And also put me onto some products you guys would like me to try because I'm tired of using the same thing. So yeah, this is the end product. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time.